Good morning, everybody. In this session, we will study why do we have standard time. As in the previous class, we studied that there are time differences all parts of the world. When the Earth moves from west to east direction, there is a difference of time which is passing the Greenwich meridian, which is passing through London, is considered as the middle meridian or the prime meridian. So the east and west of this prime meridian, there will be time differences. So the local time of a place which are on different meridians are bound to different. We know that every meridian, it takes 4 minutes for the sunlight to pass from every meridian, each meridian. Then we are crossing 50 meridians west or east, there will be time difference of 1 hour, 60 minutes or 1 hour. So here it will be difficult to prepare a timetable for trains which cross several longitudes. When also in India, for instance, there will be different of 1 hour and 45 minutes in the local times from Dwaraka in Gujarat and Dibrugarh in Assam. So when we are, our country is very large and vast, from Gujarat, Dwaraka to west Gujarat, Dwaraka, and towards east direction where we have the Dibrugarh in Assam. See these differences, we can find it takes about, it has 1 hour 45 minutes differences in the local times. So there will be confusions when we are traveling by airplanes. It is very fast and the time differences will be much greater here. So that it is necessary to adopt the local time of some central meridian of the country as a standard time for the whole India. And in India, we have taken one meridian which is passing through the center of India. Exactly which the center of India from north to south. That is the longitude which is passing 82 and half degree east longitude, or 82 degree 30 minutes east. We can say 82 and a half degree central meridian. So the meridian passing through the center of our country is the 82 and a half degree east meridian. So this is taken as the standard meridian for India. So what is the time on local time of this meridian is the standard time for the whole country, that is called, we call Indian Standard Time or the IST. So that the meridian which is passing through the center of country is the 82 and a half degree east meridian. So what is the local time on this meridian is the time for the whole country, that we call as the standard time of India. For example, you can say one person who lives in a small town near Bhopal, he tells his friend so his name is Kabir who lives in Bhopal. He is talking to his friend Alok that they will not be able to sleep tonight because a day and night cricket match between India and England had started at 12 p.m. in London. So this means that the match would begin at 7:30 p.m. in India. When the time in London is 2 p.m. means afternoon 2 o'clock. What will be the time in India? If you want to watch a live cricket match which is going on in London, that is the Greenwich time, when Greenwich is passing through London, it is at 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. that is afternoon 2 p.m. in London. The time difference in India, we can find 5.5 hours differences are there. So it is 7:30 p.m. in India and finish well into night. So that day and night we have to sit and watch the time. So there will be 5.5 hours difference between the Greenwich meridian, Greenwich time and India's time. India's time is forward. Okay. When it is 2 o'clock 2 p.m. In London, it will be 7:30 p.m. in India. That means already we have crossed the noon. Okay, it is evening. And now India located in the east of the Greenwich. That means where is the location of India? Where Greenwich meridian? Okay, this is the Greenwich meridian. India is located the east direction. That means our time is before the Greenwich time. So 82 and half degree east is our standard meridian, that is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT or the Greenwich Mean Time. So it will be 7:30 p.m. in India when it is 2 o'clock or 2 p.m. noon time in London. So some countries have a great longitudinal extent and so they have adopted more than one standard time. India, we know that the whole country is less than 2 hours differences. That means 1 hour 45 minutes difference only we have, so that we can take one meridian, central meridian as the standard time of India. Russia or Brazil, these are all very vast countries and they cannot adopt one local time for the whole country, so that they have more than one standard time. Russia, there are also so many as 11 standard times are there, because it is very broad country. It stretches from the Pacific Ocean in Asia, from the Pacific Ocean to even Europe also. So that the earth has also been divided into 24 time zones of 1 hour each. Each zone thus covers 15 degrees of longitude also. The whole earth is divided into 24 time zones. Okay, so here in between each one we have already studied for 1 hour crossing we need to cross 15 degrees of longitudes here. That's all for today. The chapter is ended here and we will study the next lesson in the next class. Thank you.